Hi everyone, my name is Anastasia and today I'm going to show you a simple 3-ingredient salad dressing with ingredients you probably already have in the fridge. This was an absolute game changer for me, so I hope it is for you as well. We are going to pair it with a salad, but we'll get to that later. So considering it's my first video, I thought I'd introduce myself a little bit. So I've lost 23 kilos so far and it's been a hell of a journey, but as cringy as it sounds, the journey never ends. I'm constantly learning new tricks in the kitchen, new fitness exercises, and I wanted to share it with you so you could achieve your fitness goals. Whether that is losing 10 kilos, maintaining the weight you're at now, or even just being a little bit more cautious about what you put into your bodies. So let's get started. So I definitely agree with the saying that you are what you eat. But that doesn't always mean that eating quick, cheap, and easy means greasy fast food. So we're going to make a nutrient-dense salad with the dressing that I spoke about earlier. And I hope none of you are automatically thinking that salads are super boring, because they're a great way to put all of your favorite ingredients into one big bowl and still lose weight, because we're controlling our portion sizes. Now, you can put whatever you like into a salad, any type of carb. Pasta, rice, quinoa, couscous, lentils, buckwheat, any type of vegetable, raw, roasted, put fruit in there, any type of cheese or nut or seeds. But the whole point of a nutrient-dense salad is that it keeps you feeling fuller for longer, which promotes weight loss. So the star ingredient of my salad today is buckwheat. Now, it's a staple in Russia, and if you don't know what it is, don't worry, because it's not commonly used in Europe. But you can find it in every single supermarket, Tesco's, Aldi, Lidl, it doesn't matter. It's beside the lentils, split lentils, couscous, that kind of section. Keep an eye out for it, because I guarantee you'll notice it next time you go. It's cheap. It's similar to quinoa, but the good thing is that it promotes weight loss because it's got 6 times less fat in it than quinoa does. It also helps manage diabetes and improves your heart health. So make sure to pick up a bag next time you go. So I have 100 grams of buckwheat in here to 200 milliliters of water. So give it an occasional stir. Give it about 15 minutes and it should be nice and fluffy and ready for your salad. So whilst that's cooking away, let's make the dressing. Now these are the 3 ingredients you need: lemon juice, whole grain mustard, and honey. So I'm making 2 portions of this today, but of course adjust depending on how many people or how many days you are making this for. So 1 teaspoon per person. 2 teaspoons of honey, just so we can balance out the mustard and the honey. And then add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and give this a stir. Now you can add a type of oil to this if you like, but I personally prefer it without oil and find that you don't even need it. So let's assemble this. I've got rocket leaves as my base. I've sauteed some mushrooms. Sprinkle some of this buckwheat on top. Add some chopped up veggies. So I just have some cucumber and yellow bell pepper. I tend to go for 1 source of fat, so either nuts or cheese, or even seeds. But if it's post-workout, then by all means go for both. And for my source of protein today, I have fried a sunny side up egg. And then drizzle some of this dressing we made earlier, and you have yourselves a yummy, yummy lunch. Okay, honestly, that was so good. Something I want to mention is that I use this 1-calorie fry light spray to fry my egg. You can find it in any supermarket. It costs €2 and it makes the world of a difference. I use this for absolutely everything. What a lot of people don't realize is how much fat there is in oil. For example, extra virgin oil has 14 grams of fat in it in 1 tablespoon. Now, I allow myself to have 40 grams of fat a day. So I am not using over a quarter of my daily fat intake for a tablespoon of oil that you don't even need. So I recommend that if you are someone who's trying to lose weight, trying to cut calories, then this is definitely something you should go get. So besides the fact that that salad was filling, nutrient dense, high in protein, and relatively low in calories, it was about 300 calories. I allow 400 for lunch, so that fit in nicely. It was also cheap to make, so per bowl, it cost me about €2. Now, if you went to McDonald's with €2, you'd probably get about one thing and not even feel full afterwards, let alone going to a salad bar on the high street. And also, that recipe is super easy for meal prep. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you liked the recipe. If you're planning on recreating it, please tag my Instagram account, TheRussianTwist. Give it a follow if you haven't already done so, because I post a few extra recipes on there. The next recipe on the YouTube channel is going to be a sweet and irresistible one, so make sure you hit the subscribe button, put your notifications on, and come back for that one. If you have any comments, feedback, things that you would like to see, give me a text on Instagram or put it in the comments below and I'll be sure to check it out. Have a great day, and I'll see you all soon.